In this video, we're going to be showing you how to upload new display electronics software onto our S Series Treadmills. In this case, the unit in front of us, this is an S-TRc machine, and it is the product we'll be using for the purpose of this video. First things first, let's go ahead and gain access to our maintenance mode. We go ahead and do that by pressing 0 to OK all at the same time. We're going to wait for maintenance mode to scroll through the screen. Once that happens, let's go ahead and press our incline plus key. We're looking for a setting called DSW. What we're looking for here is the version of software that this unit is currently equipped with. Here we see that it's version 4.0. With that said, we want to make sure that for the tools required, our uploader is equipped with the next version up. So if you haven't already done that, you can head over to our support website at support.startrac.com and look for latest product software there. For the purpose of uploading display electronic software, we're going to need two tools. One of them being a Phillips head screwdriver and a pre-programmed uploader. In order to get going with the process, we want to go ahead and turn power off at the base of the machine. We do this from the back section. In order to have clear and unobstructed access, you may have to push your treadmill away from the wall. Once we turn power off to the base of the treadmill, we're going to have to remove 8 screws from our rear console cover. Those screws are located here, 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 and here. And same for the opposite side. You're going to have another 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. With our rear console shroud removed, we can now locate our uploader. And what we're doing here, we want to locate the upload port. In this case, we can see that it's port J6. One thing to notice is that our uploader has a connector that will only fit in that port. You will also notice that it does have a notch, so it can only go in one way. Let's just go ahead and plug it in. Gently push it in and let your uploader rest in place. Once that's done, let's go ahead and turn power on at the base of the machine. So here we are, we're about to turn power on, and we're going to notice that as soon as power goes on, our uploader starts blinking. The orange LED means that the uploader is currently working on uploading new software. Now, this process may take about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you should get a green light. That means the new software uploaded correctly, you're all set to go. If your LED actually turns red, you might have configured your uploader with the incorrect software for the treadmill. So you might have to go back to your desktop and reload your uploader. So here we go, moving forward, our LED just turned green. And as you just heard, our treadmill just restarted as well. So before we continue and start sealing our treadmill back up, let's just remove our uploader and let's go ahead and head to the front of the machine. Let's go ahead and verify our software. Okay, so we're back at the front. Let's, in order to check our software, let's go ahead and gain access to maintenance mode again. 0 to OK. Press them all at the same time. Wait for maintenance to scroll through. Once that happens, let's use our incline plus key. Look for setting DSW, and as you can tell, our software just moved up a version, so we're now at 4.01. We're back at the rear of the machine. Now that all we have left to do is reinstall or mount our rear shroud cover. And there we go. That was our last screw. This is nice and sealed again. So let's go ahead and move our treadmill back to its original position. Our treadmill is back in place. We've already positioned it up against the wall. Power is currently on. Last thing we want to go ahead and do is gain access to our maintenance mode. We go ahead and do that by pressing 0 to OK. And this time, we're going to do a motor calibration. So let's allow maintenance mode to scroll through. And what we want to go ahead and do is, let's go ahead and hit the incline minus key and look for a setting called MTT. There. Let's go ahead and press OK. Once we go and do that, we want to make sure we're off the treadmill. And once we're off the treadmill, let's go ahead and hit quick start. At this point, the belt will start moving and it will reach its maximum speed. Okay, so as we can tell there, our motor calibration was successful and we're back into our MTT setting. All we want to go and do now is press the stop key once and a second time, and our display electronics will go to the main setting, and at this point the unit is ready to use.